Now then, welcome to Use and DIY, my name's Ben. In this video we're going to try out some new clothing from Fioboc. Okay, so I've worked with Fioboc in the past on a previous video we did, which was a water repellent jumper. So this material is a special material that's built with bamboo materials to create a water repellent surface on them. It's lightweight, better for the environment, so great from a sustainability perspective, and some great smart clothing with different designs, different types of clothing, so really, really good. I'll link up here to the previous video we did where we threw water balloons at me in the garden to test out the jumper. So we've been sent two more items of clothing today, a sweatshirt and a hoodie. So basically we're going to try them out, see what they're like, see what the fitting's like, and just give them a go really, and see what these different items are like. So the two products I've got a sweatshirt which is in blue, I believe it is. No, sorry, it's a black. So this is a black sweatshirt, the first one, and then the second product I've got is a burnt orange. Well, sorry, not burnt orange. It is a kind of burnt orange colour. As you can see, I like it. But this is a brick red colour, and this is a hoodie. So these, I believe, are both extra large. Yes, extra large, and the jumper is extra large as well. So we'll try them both out, see what they're like, see what the fitting's like, and go through a couple of the features of each of the items. Okay, so we'll link to these products in the description so you can check out some more details yourself. But they've got different materials in them. So this is the jumper. It's first of all the sweatshirt I'm doing. It's a Sirona polymer material in there, so it's it's quite a different material in terms of the touch. It's super soft, super smooth, and they're really comfy, like the previous jumper I had. Really comfy to wear, really lightweight. But what they also provide is quite a lot of protection from the cold. Even though they are quite light and quite a thin material, they are good in terms of wind resistance as well. So kind of are good if it is a little bit windy, a little bit chilly. You wouldn't wear this on its own, but you could certainly wear this layered up with a t-shirt and a coat. So yeah, really nice material. Really soft to the touch. So yeah, really comfortable to wear. So that's the sweatshirt. I will try these on in a minute. I just want to show you them kind of close up to start with. And they've all got the Fioboc branding, which is the blue, white and the red kind of stripe branding built into everything there. So that's the jumper. We'll just grab the hoodie next. Okay, so this is a hoodie, brick red. So it's a nice orange colour. You can see it's a different, not as bright to the one I've got on currently. This isn't Fioboc, this is Marks and Spencer. So again, the same material, really super soft. You've got that Fioboc Sirona polymer that it's made with, and all the rest of the details of the care instructions are included on the labelling. This is extra large again, same branding with the blue, red and white. Super soft. Both of these items of clothing have got pockets on them, which I'll show off in a minute when I try it on. But really nice, really soft to the touch, really comfortable to wear, the same as the jumper I had previously. So I'll jump over into the bedroom, just try these on so I can kind of show you them out. Okay, so this is the brick red hoodie, really nice fit, not too tight. So this is an extra large. I am 194 centimetres tall, so 6'4" there or thereabouts, and I'm a bit of a bigger build, let's say. So you can see it fits quite well. It's a little bit snug, maybe around kind of the chest area, but I've got some winter weight on at the moment, probably to lose a bit of winter weight. So yeah, really nice hoodie. It's got, if I just step back a little bit, it's got two separate pockets there. They aren't zipped or anything, but nice comfy pockets. You wouldn't want to put anything too heavy in them because obviously it does drop through the bottom there in terms of the inside. So, but would be good enough for a phone or a wallet, anything like that, and maybe your keys. So yeah, really nice, really comfy. I really like the colour. Obviously colour is a very personal thing, so it might not be for some people, but I do like that kind of brick red, orange kind of colour. So overall, really like the hoodie. Obviously it's got a hood because it's a hoodie, and it's got a drawstring on there like that, so you can see that there. So yeah, really nice, really soft material. It's really soft inside as well, so it's really comfy on your skin. None of the stitching or anything is rubbing. So overall, really pleased with that. Okay, so the second piece is this sweatshirt, this black sweatshirt. As you can see, it's quite a smart looking sweatshirt. Again, this is extra large on my muscular body. So this is quite a good fit, to be fair. Obviously it's black, so it kind of hides any lumps and bumps, quite a lot of it, quite a slimming kind of colour. But again, really comfy. Really comfy, same as a hoodie. You can't feel any of the stitching digging in anywhere. Really nice on the arms in terms of the material on the inside. Really, really soft, not rubbing anywhere or anything like that. The difference with this sweatshirt compared to the hoodie, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there is actually a pocket kind of on the outside there. So it's a little bit of a different design. Might not be for everyone, but there is a pocket on the outside there. No more pockets. Whether that's style over function, I'm not sure. You could put something in there, but you couldn't kind of stand there with your hand. You might look a bit funny like that. So yeah, overall, again, a second product, really, really nice. It's the material that's the main thing. It's super, super soft on the inside, but it's still got that kind of rigidity to keep it as a sweatshirt. It's not like a silk or anything like that where it droops. So overall, again, second product, really nice, really comfy. Okay, we're all done with the clothing there now. Two really, really smart items. Still got the hoodie on at the moment. Really, really comfortable. Don't rub it any places. The stitching inside is really comfortable as well. So overall, great products. This hoodie and also the sweatshirt, really, really good. Really nice. And with the previous jumper I had, I've had that for months and months now. It's washed really well, dried really well, and still looks as good as new, to be honest with you. So hopefully these will be the same and will last for as long. So if you like the video, if it's been informative, if you've shown you these products in kind of real life, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions about the hoodie, about the sweatshirt, anything else at all, again, drop that in the comment section. I'll reply to any questions and comments. If you want to follow the Houston DIY for more product reviews and more home DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.